So we're here back on the CamperKing stand, and they've got a lovely stand today in Hall 5. Nice big square, so we can see everything quite nice and easily. And they've brought some new vans with them this time. Still all powered by that Renogy system, so that huge power system that will keep you on the road for day after day after day. But we essentially have 3 vans. So the one immediately behind me, that grey one, essentially is their start out van, which is called the Freedom. That, I think, starts from, is it 62,500? Yes, I'm getting a nod from Will, I've remembered that one correctly. Over to my left, right even, we have the two-tone, that's the long wheelbase version. So it's the same electric setup in all of these, but that's your longer wheelbase van, so bigger kitchen block, bigger space for your bed to pull out in, a bit more space in the boot. And then over on this side, the red one, this is the Freedom Sprint. Nice spoilers, lowered, bigger wheels, side skirts, basically that kind of slammed van kind of look of, if you're giving up your car to have a camper van and you want to basically look like you own that campsite when you turn up on it, this is the one for you. So one particular thing that we really loved about our Cali was we'd rigged up with the help of our friends with a projector screen, fold down, put the projector on the kitchen, and there you go, you're watching Netflix whilst you're on a site. But here, look, they've tried something really different. So you've got that same projector mounted upside down in the roof to a pop-up projector screen in the roof. How cool is that?
So the other thing that you should know about this Sprint model that they've got here in this incredible red colour is that it's a collaboration between CamperKing and Leighton Vans. So Leighton Vans, if you haven't seen them, where have you been in the transporter world? Because effectively they do the amazing body kits and van transformations on transporters and have been doing for many years. They've finally done it on the T7. This has got that type approved Leighton body kit on. And that collaboration between CamperKing and Leighton Vans means they buy this van from Leighton with all the relevant body kit on and everything else, all nicely done, and then they put their fantastic interior in it. So if you're after a Leighton van, camper van, the only place you're going to get one of those is CamperKing. Definitely worth a good chat. So just show you inside this Sprint model. And Sarah even likes the sports seats.
I'm not usually a fan of sports seats being on the short side because things tend to be in the wrong place when you sit in it, but it's got quite a nice wide sportness to it, so it's not shoving my shoulders in the wrong place. They're lovely.
So what kind of price are we talking for this one? About 85?
85 and a half, I think it was.
Yeah. So it's not on the budget end of vans.
No.
But as we've said, there's a reason for that. Plus, look at that projector in here. Just superb. So we're going to do our top picks of the show. We've got one each. You go first then.
I'm going to go with the Hillside MVX.
Ooh.
So the T7 multivan with a really good quality conversion, representing something a lot more akin to the California that people will have expected of what the T6.1 would have turned into as a T7, in my opinion. So good quality. Pop top and a really nice quality conversion as well. I really liked it. It's a good van.
Very nice. Bit of a groundbreaker, that one, being on the Cali shell, but with a different interior. Love that. Yeah. And for me, it's the CamperKing Freedom Sprint.
I wonder why.
So I really love that Leighton body kit that they've put on that van. It just makes it look so much better. I was always a bit mixed on the new Transporter look. Looked a bit plain at the front, a bit kind of rounded off. That has just given it that sporty edge, which I absolutely love. Those wheels, the lowering kit on it, that dark interior just looks like a fantastic van. And if you're going to get rid of your car to be able to have a camper van, I'd drive around in that every day.
He wants to be the one who turns up on the campsite, owns it in that slammed van.
You absolutely would. If you could get on the campsite with it being lowered, of course. So, no, really love that van. Love all the tech inside it. They've done a beautiful job of just really updating what would have been a historic kind of sport line conversion. They've turned it into something really special with Leighton Vans. Really impressed with that.